Hello guys, so the festive season has kicked in and I plan to do a makeover of my puja space that I have been using. So this is pretty basic right now. As you can see, it's a very basic setup, and the base is an IKEA table. What I'm planning to do is give it some elevation and a pedestal like look. So for that I have used the spice racks, 2 spice racks, and I have taped them together to make it look like one long pedestal with different elevation levels. So this is what I'll be using next. So for that I need to clean this right now. I'll be cleaning this whole area and then starting all over again. So there you see I have cleaned it. The base is IKEA coffee table and I use the drawer for all my puja knickknacks. So there I have placed the pedestal that I taped, and then I'm putting the asan on top of it. You can see the asan didn't actually cover the whole area, but living here in Toronto it is pretty difficult to get our hands on things that we could easily find in India. So there I'm putting the pictures. I have to deal with this asan, just live with it. Then I'm putting the idols one by one. I'll be placing them, and I'll also be trying to adjust the asan in between. And this elevated level gave me space to add some more idols that I had been wanting to add for a long time. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys, how do you like the innovative idea of mine to use the spice rack as the pedestal for the gods. And I'm adding few more idols. Okay, here I realized I placed it Lord Shiva the other way around. He should be placed on the left of the goddess. So now I'm done with placing my idols. So I'll start with the regular puja knickknacks, and here again this is something my mom sent me. It's a Om, Trishul and Swastik in one straight line. I just hung it over the pictures that I have on the top of the pedestal. I'm sorry I couldn't shoot the footage of it. I was not sure. I thought the camera captured it, but it didn't. And here I'm putting the chunri. And then I'll be placing the regular puja knickknacks that we generally do, like the kalash and the nariyal and all that stuff. As you can see, I used a small chundri for the nariyal. Looks pretty decorative instead of using the plain red cloth that we generally use. And here I'm adding all these puja things. So this is the lamp I got from India. These are my favorite. Placed into the 2 sides. So this is the final look, guys. I added some lights on the sides of the temple. I think I should have used the rice lights. I'll go and get them from the market. But do let me know how you like the final look, guys, and the idea or the improvisation of the spice racks. Thanks.